Hello.
Welcome everyone. Welcome to Seashore 8th grade math. If you can hear me clearly, please type 1 on the group chat room. Okay, very good. All right, so today we're gonna continue what we left on last week. So first of all, if you have the textbook already, you can refer to your textbook. Let me tell you, I have already uploaded all the PDF for today's lessons on the Google Classroom. So when you are available, you can download all the handouts and the homework from Google Classroom. And when you're done with your homework, you can upload to the Google Classroom too, okay? And so now I would like to share my screen with you. We're gonna do a little bit review and start to work on our lesson for today, okay? Can you see this share screen? Okay. Let me fix my document first. All right, so we're gonna start with our type 1 if you can see clearly for this page. Okay, so we're gonna start with our slope of a straight line. So we want to see the definition, okay? We want to see this one here, the straight line. This is the this is the slope. We want to see this is the straight line of the slope. And if this is the, for BN point, this is the rise part, and then AN point, this is the run part, okay? So we have the AN, the parallel, I'm sorry, the point from A to N is X2, and then this is X1. So if we want to figure out the distance, let me remind you that distance is always positive, right? So if we want to figure out the distance between A to N, so we want to use X2 minus X1. So this part we call is run. And then for the rise part, we want to figure out the distance between B and N. So this is X2 minus X1. Okay, so we have the ratio from the Y1, the rise part to the run part. Then this is the slope. So we hold on, my screen got stuck. Okay. So we have this. So we have the ratio run to the rise to the run is the slope. This is our definition. Okay, now I okay. Okay, this is the formula for the slope, okay, for this slope. I need you let me know if you understand the definition for slope. Please type 1 on the group chat if you understand the definition for the slope. Okay, good. How about Timmy? Okay, good. All right, now we're gonna continue for the next page. Okay, we're gonna move to the next one. Let me erase the thing first. Okay, this is like oh, okay. All right, let's take a look of this page. I try to erase the mark. Okay, I got it. Okay, can you see? Can you see this? Let me. Can you see this page clearly? If you can see it clearly, please type 1 on your screen. Okay, let me try to fix it, okay? Hmm. Um, let me try to see if I can make this turn to a different directions. Um, okay, we're gonna see if we can. All right. Let me try to turn this directions again. If not, then I might need to just, look at like tilted way. Let me see if I can go back here. This one. Um, All right, so for this one, this is the best I can do right now. Can you guys see like in a, let me know if you can see like clearly on the screen, even though it's like sideways. If you cannot see it clearly, please type 2. And I will see if I can fix it. Okay. So one is you can see it clearly, but tilted sideways, okay? So I think this is the best I can do at this moment. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, we're gonna take a look at this question together, okay? And please ignore the note, the blue note over there. So this one, let me see if I can go back to my screen so I can do the note. Okay, share the screen. Okay. Okay, so for this question, it asks us to find the slope of the line join the point. For question A point and B point. So we know the formula slope of A and B is equal to y minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we want to figure out which one is y2 minus y1, okay? Timmy, can you tell us which one is, Timmy, can you tell us what is y2 minus y1 on the slope of AB? Can you type on the group chat? Okay, yeah. Let me. Okay, yeah, this is y2 minus y1. y2 for the slope of AB, y2 is 4 because B point is 3 on the x-axis and then 4 on the y-axis, right? So y2 is 4, take away y1 minus y1. Okay, let me annotate, yes. Okay. Let me try to write it on the screen. Okay, so x2 minus what? X2 minus x1. Our x2 for the slope of AB is 3 minus -1. So 3 minus -1 will be 3 plus 1. So our answer for the slope of AB will be 1/4. Okay, I'm trying to write on the share screen. Hold on a second. Okay. Let me move to the slope of CD. Slope of CD. Can everyone type the answer? How, what is the slope of CD? I will give you 30 seconds to try. The slope of CD. Okay, let me stop sharing right now so I can see your answer. Okay, so for the slope of CD, again, we want to plug in the formula for the slope. So it is y2 minus y1. So slope of CD, y2 is -2 minus 2. And then over x2 minus x1. For the slope of CD, x2 equal to 1 and x2 is 3. So it's 1 minus 3. So the slope of CD, our answer is 2. So basically, you just need to plug in the number to the formula. Any questions so far for slope AB and slope CD? If you have no question, please type 1 on the group chat, please. Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna move to the slope of, we need to figure out the slope of EF. This is this triangle, okay? So the slope of EF, again, we want to plug into the formula. Slope of EF, we know the y2 minus y1 for EF is 3 minus negative 2. So that equal to 3 plus 2 over x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 3 minus negative 2. So it would be negative 3 plus 2. So the answer for the slope of CD, it will be negative 5. Okay, so we figure out for those triangle slope. We have slope AB, slope CD, and slope of EF. This is our slope. So any questions so far? If you have a question, you can type either A, B, or C on the group chat so we can go over on those questions again. Type either A, B, C if you have a question. Or if you don't have a question, please type 0 on the group chat. Okay, good. So now we're gonna move to the next one. Let me upload to my share screen. Okay, now we're gonna move to the example 3. You're gonna do it on your own practice, okay? So let me move to the screen. Hold on a second. Let me erase all this. Okay, now everyone, I need you do the practice of the try 3. So we have question A, we have 2 points, P point and Q point. Question B, R, S. C, we have T and V. I need you figure out question number A, slope of PQ. Okay, if you know the answer, I need you type it on the group chat. And then once you're done for question A, then we're gonna discuss how you get the question A and then share your thought with everyone, okay? Now we do the calculation for slope P and Q. Remember our formula for slope of P and Q is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is the rise to the ratio of to the run, okay? And then once you have the answer, please type on the group chat. We want to figure out the slope. Slope of PQ. Okay. If you get the answer, I'd like you to simplify, make it to the small number. Okay, I have a couple questions right now. And then I have some answers. Okay. So I like Hassan.
Hi.
Hassan, can you share your thought to everyone? How do you get -1?
What I did was
Yes.
9 minus -1 is positive 10.
Um,
And
hold on a second. Hold on a second. Can you tell us
share screen.
the slope of PQ, the formula for a slope of PQ, the formula first?
Y2 minus Y1 over X2
Y2
minus
minus
X1.
Y1, and then?
Yeah, X2 minus X1.
Yes, okay. So what is Y2 on PQ?
9. Or -6, I mean.
-6, very good. And then what is Y1 on the PQ?
4.
We are looking at the y-axis, right?
Yeah.
So,
I mean, wait.
let me try to pull out the pens from here. Okay, my marker. All right, so very good. Hassan say Y2 is -6, right? And then what is Y1? You say is 9. Excellent. So we want to use -6 minus 9 and then divided by some number, right? Divided by x2 minus x1. So what is x2 minus x1? Timmy, can you tell us?
Two minus x1.
Yes, x2 minus x1. What is that x2?
That is 3.
x2. We are talking about question A on try 3. So we have P and Q, 2 points. So the x2, what is x2?
2 is 4.
Excellent, 4, and then minus x1. Which one is x1? What number is x1?
+1.
Yeah, so our formula is 4 minus x1, right? And then you say 1 is -1. So it would be +1, right? At the bottom. So we have -5 on the top, and then 4 plus 1 would be 3 at the bottom. So it's -15 to the ratio of 3.
-5.
I'm sorry, -5. You're right. All right, so we're gonna simplify it. Yvonne, can you tell us how we're gonna simplify this one? What would be the answer? Yvonne? Okay, then me, Yvonne? Okay. Now that's Hudson, can you tell us how you simplify this? Negative 50
You
over
divide
5.
both by 5.
Divided by 5. Excellent. So the answer will be, what is the answer for slope of PQ?
-3.
Excellent. Good job. Excellent. Good job, Yvonne. It will be -3. Okay. So everyone, any question on this question A? If you have no question to solve this problem, give me 0. Okay. Yes. Dylan? All right. Okay, so that's all. Try question B. Okay. Try question B. Same thing. You want to plug in the formula. And let me erase this. If you have the answer for slope of RS, please type on the group chat for me, please. Thank you. We have someone already typed some answer on the group chat. So let's do it together here. For the slope of RS, slope of RS. Okay, first of all, we want to review what is the formula. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. So, Timmy, can you tell us what is y2 on question B?
I can't see the question. It's like, oh
You can see the question?
yeah, I can't see yeah, I don't see anything.
You don't see anything? Okay, let me try it again. Okay, please type 1 if you can see the screen. If you cannot see my share screen. Okay. So let me try it again. All right, I try it again. See if you can see my screen clearly. Type 2 if you can see it clearly. Okay. All right, good. All right. So now, Timmy, can you answer my question if you can see the screen right now? We want to figure out the slope of RS. This is question B. So can you tell us what is Y2?
2 and -7.
Um,
Or actually, -5 and 2. -2, I think.
Very good. All right, so in -5 and -2 are all on the y-axis, right? So
Yeah.
those are the 2 points we want to figure out the distance. So y2 will be -2,
Mm-hmm.
-2, and then minus y1. So what is y1? Hudson, can you tell us what is y1?
Y1 is -5.
Excellent. So we want to use -2 minus -5, okay? And then to the ratio of x2 minus x1. Yvonne, can you tell us what is x2 minus x1? What is x2?
What's x2 is 2.
Since we use s as x2 and y2, so what is x2 for the distance from R and S? It would be negative. It would be -7. Okay, you can either use -7 as x2 or 2 as x2, but you need to have the same order like y2 and y1, okay? So x2 for the slope of R and S will be -7. And then minus x1. Dylan, what is x1 for this?
Mhm.
What is x1 for question B? So over here, all right, over here, we will, let me change the color. Okay, this will be y2. This is y1, okay? And then, so this will be x2. This will be x1, okay? So over here, we have -7 is our x2. And then since our formula is x2 minus x1, so we want to plug in this x1 number. So our x1 number is -2, okay? So over here, we have -2. So our slope of RS will be -2 minus -5, which is -2 plus 5. So this will be 3. And then -7 minus 2. This will be -9. So Timmy, can you simplify it and tell us what is the answer for the slope of RS for this one?
It's 3. I mean, it's 1/3.
1/3, very good. But we have a -9 over there, right? So our answer will be -1/3. Okay. Any question on the slope of RS? Give me 0 if you don't have any question on the slope of RS. Good job. Okay, Dylan, question? All right, now let's try, let me erase this one, and let's try the question C, okay? So try the question C yourself now, and then type your answer if you have the answer on the group chat. Again, we have the formula for the slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So over here, this is x1, y1, and then we have x2, y2. Okay, who has the answer? If you have the answer already, you can try to type it on the group chat. All right, Timmy, can you tell us what is the y2 minus y1 for the question C?
0 minus 9.
Excellent, 0 minus 9. And Hudson, can you tell us what is x2 minus x1? Oh, I'm sorry. Hudson, can you say it again?
4 minus 2. Or negative 4 minus 2.
Negative 4 minus 2. Good job. All right. So let's do the calculation here. Yvonne, can you tell us what is this answer? Sorry, let me, okay.
9 or whatchamacallit, negative 9 at the top, and then
Sorry, can you say it like turn on your volume a little bit? So what is the answer for 0 minus 9 on the top?
negative 9
Excellent, negative 9 over
over negative 6.
negative 6. Good job. Okay. So how do we simplify this? We're going to divide it by, Dylan, can you tell us how we're going to simplify this?
Divide it by 3.
Excellent. So everything we're going to all divide it by 3, right? So this will be 3, 3, 9. 3 on the top, 3, 2, 6. And then since they both have negative, we want to take away negative. So this will be our answer for the slope of C. Okay? give me 0 if don't have any question on this. Question C. 0. Okay, great job. Okay, good job. All right, now for example 4, we will continue the example 4 in next section. And then all the handouts and the answer keys and all the homeworks, it's already posted on the Google Classroom. So please download all the handouts and homework from the Google Classroom. And then I have the due date for the homework already. So once you're done, you can upload to the Google Classroom. And if you, I need you, I need you type in your name on the group chat to show you attend this meeting. Okay, so I already put March 17 attendance. So if you are in this classroom, please type your name on the group chat right now. And also we are using Singapore math. If you don't have the book yet, you want to purchase it, you can talk to our school, okay? So this will be the end of our class, and hope you understand what is our slope of a straight line today, okay? So I will see you tomorrow. You guys have a good day, okay? Bye. Bye, everyone.